Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Range Rover SUV is here and it's redefining what it means to drive in luxury. At first glance, the design speaks volumes. The silhouette is unmistakably Range Rover, but the refinements are impossible to ignore. Cleaner lines, flush door handles, and an even more aerodynamic profile give this SUV an elegant yet commanding presence on the road. It's sophisticated, it's bold, and it's built to make a statement. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers a range of powertrains to suit every kind of driver. Whether you're looking at the mild hybrid inline-6, the plug-in hybrid variant, or the range-topping V8, you're guaranteed power and performance without compromising efficiency. For those leaning toward a more sustainable future, the fully electric version is expected to arrive soon, further expanding the Range Rover's versatility and appeal. Slide inside and you're immediately immersed in an environment that blends advanced technology with supreme comfort. The cabin is a sanctuary. From the hand-finished wood trim to the buttery soft leather seats, every element feels carefully curated. The seating is adjustable in dozens of ways and offers heating, cooling, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. It's not just about being comfortable, it's about being pampered, no matter where you're sitting. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Range Rover. The new curved touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and sleek, housing all your navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The updated Pivi Pro interface is quicker than ever, responding to your inputs with almost no lag. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the available Meridian 3D surround sound system transforms your favorite playlist into an in-car concert. And let's talk about the drive. Whether you're cruising on the freeway, navigating city streets, or tackling rough terrain, the 2025 Range Rover delivers a drive that's both smooth and responsive. Thanks to the latest air suspension system and active dynamics, it glides over bumps and corners with confidence. Off-road capabilities remain legendary with terrain response features that automatically adjust the vehicle to match the environment. Snow, sand, mud, or rocks, this SUV is ready for it all. Safety and driver assistance features are also top tier. You get everything from adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to a 360-degree camera system and an advanced collision avoidance setup. The SUV practically watches the road for you, offering peace of mind whether you're on a cross-country road trip or simply heading out for groceries. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. Available executive class seating transforms the back of the Range Rover into a first-class lounge, complete with personal screens, fold-out tables, and rear climate controls. Whether you're commuting or being chauffeured, the experience feels elevated and exclusive. Storage and practicality haven't been sacrificed either. The cargo space is generous and cleverly designed with split tailgate functionality, perfect for everything from family luggage to luxury shopping hauls. There's even an optional tailgate event suite that turns the rear of the vehicle into a stylish outdoor seating area. The 2025 Range Rover is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of purpose and prestige, a perfect balance of heritage and innovation. Whether you're drawn in by its performance, comfort, technology, or off-road prowess, it's clear that this SUV isn't just built for the road, it's built for life, no matter where that road leads. With the 2025 model, Range Rover continues to raise the bar and set new standards in the world of luxury SUVs. We'll see you next video.